Good morning, dear students. It's time to start with English. Today we are going to talk about the countables and the uncountables, right? So, first of all, we are going to start with the countable nouns. It says the countable nouns, they are what you can count. You can count. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. You can count. Yes, you can, right? That is the countable nouns. And it says that the countables nouns are going to be divided in singular and in plural, right? For example, you can say 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, or for example, you can say banana, right? You know what is the banana? Banana is a countable fruit because you can say 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas. Or you can say also potatoes. Potatoes also are countables. You can say 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4 potatoes. Okay? So all the nouns that you can count that have singular and in plural, you are gonna call it countables, right? The countables. Now, in here, we are gonna talk about the singular. For a singular, instead of saying 1, we are gonna use a. That is the meaning, right? Take a look. A, right, is the same. Now, in here you have, it says that you are gonna use a next to a consonant sound. A consonant sound. Consonant sound. You've already know what are the consonants, but I'm gonna give you an example in here. For example, it says a banana, right? A banana. A strawberry. Please take a look at this part. Consonant, right? Consonant because it's letter B. Consonant because it's letter S, right? So the sound B and the sound in here S. So it's a consonant sound. For that reason, you are gonna use a in singular. A banana, a strawberry. Okay? So, as I told you, we are gonna divide it. And in this case, you have an. When are you gonna use an? An is the same, the meaning. But it says that you are gonna use an next to a vowel. In here you have the example. A, E, I, O, U. Sound, right? It says that you are gonna use an next to a vowel sound. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an orange. An apple, only one. An orange, only one. Take a look. Vowel A. Vowel O. An apple. An orange. And listen, please. An apple. An orange. Together. Okay? The sound is together. So, in here you have the plural way. Now we are going to talk about the plural. It says that in plural, you are going to use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. right? You can say, for example, 2 bananas, 4 tomatoes, right? And you have in there 2 strawberries, right? 2 strawberries. Remember strawberries? Okay, now in here, a few. That is an expression that you are gonna use in plural. A few. Okay, so now in here you have the example of a few, right? The example says a few oranges, and you have in here the picture in order to catch the idea. It says a few oranges. Please take a look at the picture. Now in here, the other expression, many. That is the other expression, many. And in here, example, many bananas, many bananas, many. Take a look at the picture in order to understand. Many bananas in here, many bananas, right? Okay, so please, we are gonna continue in here. It says now the uncountables. It says that the uncountables now cannot count. You can't say 1, 2, 3. No, right? You cannot count. For example, the liquids, right? The liquids, you cannot count. So the liquids, uncountable. All the liquids, uncountable. Water, uncountable. Milk, uncountable. Juice, uncountable, right? Uncountable. Soda, uncountable. Now in here, small things, small. So take a look. For example, the sugar, right? The sugar is very small, teeny tiny, right? So you cannot count. So for that reason, for the uncountables, we are going to use quantifiers. So please take a look, pay attention at here. We've already talked about this the previous class. So we use a glass of, right? A glass of, and you have in there the example, a glass of. You can say a glass of water. You can say a glass of milk. You can say a glass of orange juice, for example, right? A glass of soda. Soda, remember soda, Coca-Cola and Coca-Cola, right? A glass of. Now, we have in here a bottle of. Remember, a bottle of is similar like in Spanish, bottle, right? A bottle of. And we have in here an example that is a bottle of milk. You can say also a bottle of water. Another example, a bottle of Inca Cola, right? A bottle of soda. A bottle of juice. For example, the seafood, right? A bottle of juice. Now, we have another one. A little of. Little of. So you have in there a little of. Take a look. Little. Please pay attention. Little, not full. Little, right? In that case, a little of orange juice. We can say a little of chicha morada, right? A little of, we can say a little of soda. A little of water. A little of milk. A little of. ¿cierto? Cuando ya me queda poquito, a little of. Okay, so now in here, a can of, right? A can of. And we have in here an example, Coca-Cola, right? A can of soda. Remember, Coca-Cola, Inca-Cola, all of them are soda. A can of soda, right? Now, as I told you, we are going to continue with the uncountables quantifiers. A pinch of. A pinch of. What is a pinch of? Take a look. A pinch of salt. For example, salt is sal. In Spanish, sal. So a pinch of salt. You can say a pinch of sugar. Sugar, azúcar. You can say a pinch of pepper. Pepper, pimienta. A pinch of. Una pizca in Spanish. Okay? A pinch of. Right? Let's continue. A liter of. And you have in there. A liter of. And you have in there a box. You can say a liter of soda. A liter of milk, a liter of water, a litro in Spanish, litro, right? A liter of. Now in here, a slice. Please, in here, listen. Slice. Slice, no. Slice, no. Slice. A slice of, for example, in that case, a slice of pizza, right? You also can say a slice of cake, right? You can also say a slice of cake. Now we are going to continue in here. It says a bar of. A bar of, and in this case, chocolate. A bar of. Right? You cannot count the chocolate. No puedes contar el chocolate. Remember? Okay? Why? Because you can make it liquid. Porque también puedes convertirlo en líquido. ¿Sí? Entonces, you cannot count the chocolate. No cuentas el chocolate. For that reason, you can say, or you have to say, tienes que decir, a bar of chocolate. Dices una barra de chocolate. No un chocolate, no. Una barra de chocolate. A bar of chocolate. Right? Also that happened with the pizza. Eso también pasa con la pizza. No, una pizza, no. Tú dices una rebanada de pizza. O una porción de pizza. Una tajada de pizza. Right? But you don't say una pizza. Right? Una pizza means, right? Also you don't say milk, one milk, no dices una leche, sino un litro de leche, right? So you have to be very careful in that part. Una sal, tampoco no dices una sal, sino a pinch of salt, una pizca de sal, right? Now in here, the uncountables quantifiers also, a spoonful of. Take a look. A spoonful, una cucharada de. Eso es lo que quiere decir. That is the meaning. Una cucharada de. For example, for your tea. ¿Qué cosa es el tea? El té. Right? For your tea. A spoonful of sugar. Right? A spoonful of sugar. But in here you can change this. Esto puede cambiar. You can say 2 spoonfuls of. You can say 3, 4, 5. Eso sí puede cambiar, right? The sugar you cannot count. El azúcar tampoco no la cuentas. Remember, no la cuentas porque, como te decía al inicio, son pequeñitas, muy pequeñitas, entonces no lo puedes contar. For that reason, you are gonna need the quantifiers. Por esa razón necesitas los cuantificadores. So, a spoonful of. Tú dices a spoonful of. Una cucharada de. Right? Now in here. A bag of. Also. Also, you can say a bag of. For example, you can say a bag of sugar. ¿Qué cosa es ese bag? Bag es bolsa. A bag of sugar, una bolsa de azúcar. A bag of salt, una bolsa de sal. Remember, una sal no dices. You can say a bag of salt. Necesitas un cuantificador para poder contar la sal, los líquidos, los que son muy pequeñitos. Okay? So in that case, you have a bag of. And the example, a bag of nachos, right? Also, you cannot count the nachos. Tampoco no podemos contar los nachos, right? Okay. So, that's it for today. Please practice and send me your exercise. Bye-bye.